And the Emir and I have a lot on our agenda today. We want to talk about the security in the Gulf and the broader Middle East, ensuring the stability of global energy supplies, continuing our work together to support the people of Afghanistan, and strengthening commercial and investment cooperation between our two countries.
This afternoon I'm going to be talking with the President about different topics, mainly about the security of our region. I think we demonstrated that how solid and how strong we can work together and cooperate on what we did in Afghanistan. We're very proud that we managed to evacuate tens of thousands of people of Afghanistan.